Baby rhinos love to play, both in the wild and in captivity. They also love to play in mud, and this is great for their skin. By covering their body with soft mud, not only does it keep moisture locked in the skin, but also shields them from pesky bugs and sunlight. They also love to stamp their feet, run, and practice their charge, which is a skill they will need for protection later in life. The baby's horns will begin growing in a few months, but it will take years before they look full grown.
Bree, so this is where we mix the milk. These are our two caretakers, Thomas and Ronwell. Yes, they will mix the milk, and then we can go show you how to, or we can let you feed the baby rhino.
Let's do it.
So
How much milk are they drinking right now?
At the moment, how many?
1.6.
1.6 liters. It's calculated based on the weight of the baby rhino.
And the weight of the baby rhino right now is at what?
165 pounds.
For a 1 month old.
Yes, for a 1 month
It's a
old.
big baby.
Yeah, they gain quite a lot of weight.
Yes. And I believe you said it has to be at room temperature, right? Like it would
Yes.
naturally come out of mom.
Yes. Like with human babies, you won't give them cold
milk.
Yes, so there's exactly the same. This formula is actually quite close to a horse milk formula, because rhinos and horses share the same sort of gut.
That's interesting. I didn't know
Yes.
that.
I'm not going to see them go extinct while I'm alive.